Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, Thiruvananthapuram. Written test for selection to the post of Library Assistant A. One. Which of the following is an operating system? Ubuntu. 2. One of the book selection principles that states that the best reading for the largest number at the dash cost. Least. 3. Financial allocation made to a library for purchase of furniture and equipment usually comes under the budget head non-recurring grant. 4. Books misplaced on the shelves by readers are restored. This work is referred to as shelf rectification. 5. Indian patents on all areas are published in Gazette of India, Part 3. 6. Colon classification is related with scheme. Freely faceted. 7. Which law of library science emphasizes on reading of books from the library? 5th law. 8. Science Direct is a database developed by Elsevier. 9. Common auxiliaries are used in UDC. 10. Library legislation refers to the development of public libraries. 11. The concept of SDI was introduced by Hans Peter Loom. 12. Web 2.0 was coined by O'Reilly. 13. Data that are collected, observed or created for the purposes of analysis to produce and validate original research results is research data. 14. On-demand delivery of computer power, database storage, applications and other IT resources through a cloud services platform via the internet with pay-as-you-go pricing is cloud computing. 15. Which of the following is a reference management software? EndNote. 16. Which of the following stands for the legal rights exclusively given to the authors or creators of intellectual work? Copyright. 17. Which of the following is not a search engine? Joomla. 18. What will be the ratio of simple interest earned by certain amount at the same rate of interest for 6 years and that for 9 years? 2:3. 19. Jubilee project is associated with the evaluation of electronic services. 20. Father of library movement in USA. Melville Dewey. 21. Dash is an online database of engineering. Compendex. 22. RDA stands for Resource Description Access. 23. The following can be used to measure the research output of an individual. H-index. 24. Which of the following is not covered by intellectual property rights? Thesaurus. 25. UAP stands for Universal Availability of Publication. 26. IMCE stands for International Meeting of Cataloging Experts. 27. WIPO stands for World Intellectual Property Organization. 28. The term communication is originated from Latin. 29. Encyclopedia of Library and Information Science is published by Marcel Dekker. 30. NPTEL is the acronym for National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning. 31. METS stands for Metadata Encoding and Transmission Standard. 32. Information Literacy Competency Standards for Higher Education is prepared by ACRL. 33. The National Convention regularly organized by DELNET is known as NACLIN. 34. Two houses are in front of each other. Both have chimneys on their top. The line joining the chimneys make an angle of 45 degrees with the ground. How far are the houses from each other if one house is 25 meter and the other is 10 meter in height? 15 meter. 35. World of Learning is published by Europa Publication. 36. Lycos is a search engine. 37. Which network in India provided the first email service in the country? ERNET. 38. The term bespeaking is used for which of the following? Reservation of books. 39. In which indexing system table of roll operators is used? PRECIS. 40. Who coined the term Library 2.0? Michael Casey. 41. Dash are non-traditional bibliometrics proposed as an alternative or complement to more traditional citation impact metrics such as impact factor and H index. Altmetrics. 42. ISO 2018 standard is related to International Standard Book Number. 43. Which of the following is a citation analysis service? Web of Knowledge. 44. When the first edition of Sears List of Subject Heading published? 1923. 45. Librarian of Library of Congress is appointed by President of USA. 46. Which among the following is free audio book site? LibriVox. 47. Books of unknown or doubtful authorship is known as apocryphal books. 48. FLAC is a format for lossless data compression for audio. 49. Zero-based budgeting system was first designed by Peter Thiel. 50. Which information theory focuses on the purpose of communication is to inform, instruct or motivate the receiver? Etkoff's theory. 51. Ontology is classification of internet-based documents. 52. Standard for encoding data in CD-ROM. ISO 9660. 53. If y is equal to x cube plus 7x square minus 3x plus 8, then d raised to 4y by dx raised to 4. 0. 54. Dash is Australia's major online repository, provides information about millions of resources collected by Australia's libraries, universities, research repositories and cultural institutions. Trove. 55. Classification number assigned to and used to arrange US federal government documents. Subdocs number. Pseudocs number. 56. The standard used to provide an unambiguous and well-defined method of representing dates and times so as to avoid misinterpretation of numeric representations of dates and times, particularly when data are transferred between countries with different conventions for writing numeric dates and times. ISO 8601. 57. World Book Day or World Book and Copyright Day, also known as International Day of the Book or World Book Day, is a yearly event on April 23. A subscription service initiated by the Andrew W. Mellon Foundation to convert backgrounds of important journals and make them available to academic libraries. Gesture. RDF stands for Resource Description Framework. 60. A set of terms that have been carefully selected in order to avoid having multiple terms for the same subject. Controlled vocabulary. 61. Noise in information retrieval is due to redundant information. 62. Technological gatekeeper is an informal mechanism of keeping user informed of relevant development. 63. Functional requirements for bibliographic records, that is FRBR, was developed by IFLA, that is International Federation of Library Associations and Institutions. 64. The weight of 10 dogs are 9, 26, 10, 22, 36, 13, 20, 20, 10 and 21 kg. Then the median weight in kg is 20. 65. Kinetica is an online information service by Australian Library Network. 66. Who is the compiler of web bibliography of Rabindranath Tagore? RRR-LF. 67. Publisher of Annals of Library Science and Documentation. NISCARE. 68. The process of preservation of all the documents is archiving. 69. The ratio between the perimeter and the breadth of the rectangle is 5:1. If the area of the rectangle is 216 square centimeter, what is the length of the rectangle? 18 centimeter. 70. AACR stands for Anglo-American Cataloging Rules. 71. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. 72. Integrated Library Management Software developed by National Informatics Center. E-Granthalaya. 73. ISBN is provided in India by Raja Ram Mohan Roy Library Foundation. 74. Processed data is known as information. 75. In India, which university started library science course first? Madras. 76. Who is the author of the book The Prolegomena to Library Classification? S.R. Ranganathan. Table of Content Service is a SDI. 78. Equation of normal to the circle y is equal to 2x square minus 3x minus 1 at 1 minus 2 is x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. 79. What is the smallest unit of information in a computer? Bit. 80. RFID is a technology used for identification of objects.